Hello, it's William Vinson, yeswilliam.com. Please like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell, do all those things so that you can get future videos. I wanted to make this video because one of my subscribers has bought the VideoFX maker and they gave a good review on it. She said even her kids could work the program. And you know how many animated videos there are in sales now. You can send them through your chat box, through Facebook, through Instagram, just about any kind of advertising you want to do. So if you have a product and you want to sell it and you want to make a video and not have to get on camera yourself to sell the video, then you can do it with VideoFX or VideoMakerFX. The link's in my box. I want to show you a little bit about it though before that. This is VideoMakerFX. It makes videos like the pros with the most powerful video creation software. It's an ultimate all-in-one video creator. Once you get to this page, and they got a 12.5-minute tutorial up here to give you some hand with it, and even more explanations as you go through it. Here's one of the videos that you can see what you can make, and this is something that you're going to want to do for if you're a realtor, if you're a construction person, if you have anything, any kind of service or product you want to sell, and you don't want to have to do it, or you want a more professional way of doing it anyway, and this definitely makes it more professional. So you see what I'm talking about? If you got any kind of service around where it needs advertisement, you can make these little short videos for them and charge them per click or per acquisition or any kind of different ways you want to charge them. And making the video is real simple, and the other aspects of advertising, once you get those in line, and you can learn that too on the link for marketing training. So here you got something you don't have to marketing. You can market products and people around where you live, a fruit stand. You know, these things on Google, they can narrow it down to a radius around your house or around your business or around wherever you're at. So take advantage of these things. You never can tell what you might can do and what you might can learn and how much money you can make doing this. And if you'll notice inside the little box there, I think it says incredibly easy use video creation software creates professionally leveled videos in a few clicks. Full Windows and Mac operating system compatible, $37. $37 is not a whole bunch of money, is it, to be able to start you a career in advertising. So if you got something you need to advertise, these are templates that you can work with, and there's more templates than this, but those are templates you can work with and create your own videos for whatever it is that you want to advertise. And these videos, you can see, range from just 1 to 2 minutes long. And you saw that last one was only 54 seconds, so it doesn't take a lot of time. You can put these things together, and as I said, my friend said that it's easy enough a kid can work. So if you're looking for something to make videos with, especially animated videos, this is how you need to do it. Okay. Okay, well, I thought you might like to see that, get a little refresh on it. And don't forget, you can get any kind of training you want and to get at the affiliate training link in my description. Please like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell, and share. I'm sure you know somebody that's interested in doing something like this, even if you're not personally. Not only will it help you out, it'll help them out too. So thank you for all that you're doing, and I'll see you tomorrow.